When someone is looking to remodel their jewellery, we always start with consultation, where we assess the items to be repurposed and chat through designs and ideas of what can be achieved. Once the favourite concept has been chosen, we move into 3D design, and computer-generated images are provided, known as CAD. Following design approval, the stones are carefully removed from their original settings, gently cutting away claws and pushing back the metalwork to release the stones. Each stone is meticulously measured and, along with the metal specifications and the customer's measurements, input into the software to be accurately represented in the design. The CAD file is then sent to the 3D printer, which prints it in a combination of a casting wax and a support wax. The printed models are put into an alcohol bath, which dissolves the support wax, leaving the casting wax. They are fragile and occasionally we get breakages, so we print a couple of models. The casting wax model is attached to a wax sprue, and the flask prepared for one of the oldest processes of jewellery making, known as lost wax casting. Investment powder is mixed with water to create a plaster and poured into the flask to cover the wax models. Inside a vacuum sealed unit, air bubbles are removed to ensure perfect mould, and the flask is then left to harden. The flask is placed in a hot kiln which burns out the wax models, leaving a hollow impression in the plaster. The metal to be used for the cast is dropped into the ceramic crucible within the casting machine and heated until it is molten. Within the casting machine, the molten metal is tipped into the flask, flooding the hollow impression, filling the exact shape of the design. Submerging the flask in cold water causes the plaster to break away from the cast metal. If the ring being crafted is in two metals, in this case platinum and gold, then we repeat the entire casting process for the second metal. At the goldsmith's bench, the casts are filed and polished. The platinum and gold are joined by soldering in preparation for stone setting. At the setting bench, the goldsmith sets all the stones under magnification for complete accuracy. And finally, one last polish and the transformation is ready to be revealed.